Charles Phillips here with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you a really nice feature in the 2019 Buick Enclave Premium. So you actually have power folding third row seats. They go up and down, so real easy to do that. You actually have two buttons here on the passenger side of the rear hatch. L of course is for left, so just press the button down and it pulls the headrest down and the seat as well. And press R for the right side. So it's a 60-40 split, so if you don't need both seats down, you can have one independent from the other. And to get the seats back up, simply press the up arrow for the left and up for the right. So there it is, guys. Power folding seats on the 2019 Buick Enclave Premium. Once again, my name is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick. You can reach me at 903-374-0227 or my cell phone 903-371-1091. Thank you and have a great day.